Good morning, Cardinal Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, November 20th. It's currently 6 a.m. We're all awake. We all just got up at about 5. So right now we are headed to load the bus. We are headed to Southwick Lanes in Toledo, Ohio for the Bowling Green Classic, I believe. I'm 95% sure it's called the Bowling Green Classic. Concordia is the defending champions of this event. So let's head to the bus. Let's go load this thing up and let's go do this. Oh, come on, ball. See it. Yes! Go, go, go. Oh, nice shot. Yes! Let's go. Oh, great shot. Great shot. Holy crap, that was a good game. 11:42 for the set. We gained a lot of pins on it with a 180. We're not gonna name who did it, but yeah, Mr. Bigos over here shot 275.
I needed it after that 150 I shot the first one.
It looks like he's plus 25 now, so it cancels out. So let's go do this again. Hi, Corey. As Brad Miller would say, the left is China. Right, Kyle? The left is China. It is China. Yes, great shot, Corp. Great shot, Isaac. 136. Great shot, Isaac. so we just got back. It's now 9:30 at night. I wanted to say a huge congrats to both teams. Both teams bowled phenomenal. It was very, very brutal on both sides for two different reasons, and I'll explain that in a minute. On the girls' side, you had them finishing 5th. You also had Jevany on the JV girls' side finishing 3rd for all-tournament team, and you had Emily Hughes finishing 5th for all-tournament team girls. On the boys' side, you had the boys finishing 2nd, 20 pins behind Indiana Tech. They forced them to show up in the 10th frame. They needed a 216. They ended up shooting 230, and that was kind of all she wrote. But we forced them after being down 320 pins with one individual and 12 Baker to go. We made up that ground fairly quickly, and it was an incredible feat for the boys. No all-tournament team, unfortunately. One person should have had all-tournament team if the rules were a little different. Isaac Gergen went 150 over, but Alex Bumpus threw his first 2 frames and started the game. Therefore, the game went to him, and Isaac couldn't get all-tournament team, but he would have been 3rd because he went 150 over for 5 games, averaging just probably 230 even. And then you had Patrick Good averaging 219. He was in 8th place. Corey Reichard in 13th, averaging 217. Brendan Gossman in 15th, finishing 215. And Kyle Lewis in 25th, averaging 208. Now, the reason I wanted to say they were difficult for the girls and the boys differently. The girls, the scores were a lot lower. They were having trouble getting the corners out because of how early the friction was on the lane. They were wood. The boys' side, it was a struggle because if you 9 spare, 9 spare, 9 spare, and throw a couple strikes in a row and shoot 210, you're losing like 30 pins on the field. It was an absolute whack fest. I mean, like 5 or 6 290s, 1 300 game, and an absolute handful of 270s. I kind of want to ballpark that games above 270, maybe 20. It's still very high for a college tournament, but at the same time, I mean, it was the number of 250s that I'm looking at are absolutely ridiculous. And I don't think a college pattern should ever play like that. I don't want to know what the ratio was, but it was too high. It was a very, very good day. We had great communication. Everybody just kind of... It was the first time I've actually seen our team gel together in such a way that we were all loud, we were all rowdy, and we were just out there having fun. It wasn't fun a couple times when it turned into a carry contest and we didn't carry the way that other teams were, and unfortunately some of the breaks that didn't go our way could have cost us the tournament, as well as a few missed spares down the road. But life happens, bowling happens. You can't really do much. Got to give a hats off to Indiana Tech. They bowled their butts off. And I want to give a shout out actually to James Bennett, who bowls Indiana Tech. His last 2 games he went front 11, front 9. So he had a bid going into the 10th frame for 2 300 games in a row. And it was very, very impressive to watch. But it was high scoring, to say the least, and it was kind of brutal. Because you watch teams average like 190 and you're like shooting just... No. It's bad. It was bad. I can recall one event where we shot 1174 and we lost 90 pins. On Indiana Tech, we shot 1264. Which, there's nothing you can do about that because they're absolutely killing it and we're absolutely killing it, and they're just getting some more hits that we aren't. But at the end of the day, it's frustrating to see. I think Concordia had 3 1100 sets, including 1196 one set. It was a huge set.
Can't be more proud of these guys. I can't wait for the next tournament. With that being said, please click that like and that subscribe button. There are going to be more vlogs coming your guys' way, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.